Have you ever argued with AI before? Maybe ChatGPT gave you an answer today, and tomorrow you ask the same question, it gives you a different answer. Now imagine this. In the future, AI won't just answer questions. They run businesses, run errands without any human intervention. And the crazy part is that what happens when AI cheats another AI? Who decides who is wrong and who settles this argument? Believe it or not, one crypto project is already building an answer to this and it's called GenLayer. And today we will talk about what GenLayer is, why internet court is such a big deal for GenLayer, and what the team has been building recently, and why now should be the perfect time to start paying attention to this project. Now let's get started. What exactly is GenLayer? Now I'll explain this in the simplest form possible. Now traditional blockchain work like a calculator. You type in 1 plus 1, it gives you 1 plus 1, and no matter the calculator you bring, 1 plus 1 is always 2. And that is how traditional blockchain is. They are programmed the same way to give the same answer. But imagine this. Let's say in a classroom, a teacher asks a question, write a story about friendship. Everyone writes something different and everybody's answer is correct, but they are just different. And that is exactly how AI works. So ask ChatGPT a question, ask Gemini a question, ask Claude a question. All of them gives you a different answer, but with the same ideology. And that is a huge problem because blockchain doesn't know how to deal with different answers. They only understand what is right and what is wrong. GenLayer changes that. Instead of forcing AI to behave like a calculator, GenLayer was built specifically for AI. It allows AI to reason, think, and reach an agreement on the blockchain. That's what makes it different. And that's also what makes it different from other blockchains. So what problem is GenLayer solving? So let's say in a few years into the future, your AI assistant books your flight, another one pays for the bill, another one trades crypto for you. Maybe one day this one said that, okay, I already traded this crypto, and this one said, no, you have not. One said, I've already paid the bills, another one said, no, you have not paid the bills. Or maybe an AI promised to build a delivery website and build something entirely different. Now, who is right? Traditional smart contracts can't answer a question like this. They only understand simple instruction. If this happen, do this, and if that happen, do that. But in real life, we always know that sometimes human intervention is actually needed. Someone or something it should be there to make the decision look fair. That's exactly the problem GenLayer is trying to solve. Now, the interesting part is the internet court. GenLayer is building something called the internet court. Think of it like a courtroom, but instead of people standing before a judge, the internet court is designed to settle disagreements between AI systems. Let's say two AI agents disagree about what's supposed to happen. Instead of everything breaking down, the internet court steps in, looks at the evidence, uses AI reasoning together with decentralized validation. They help you decide which one is correct. So as more AI agent begins to work online, something like this becomes incredibly important because without trust, AI can't work together. The internet court could become one of the key blocks of the entire AI economy. Now, what is GenLayer building? Although part of GenLayer is still on testnet phase, the team has been moving fast. They are continuously improving subscribe, and leave the notification bell on to be notified whenever I make another video like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.